Today, I'm going to show you how to make a rug slip-free. A non-slip rug, anti-slip, okay? Now, of course, you can use carpet tape that they have out there, slip pads, double-sided sticky tape, but they all cause a problem later on. Now, this is a nice rug that I just got nice and plush. And on the back of this rug, it tells you that it's non-slip. But when I put it on my vinyl flooring in the bathroom, it slides everywhere. This idea I'm going to give you works on carpet, wood, fake wood, as well as vinyl. So, first you're going to need a putty knife, something like this. Then you're going to need silicone. And if you notice, you see 100% silicone. This one I got, it says mold free, because I'm going to use this in the bathroom and I want to make sure no won't get thing. It's also water-based. Cuts it on a little angle. And the first place I'm going to start is my corners. Always the corners and the edges. You smooth it out with this. And I'm going to smooth it out towards the corner. And the whole purpose of smoothing this out is so there's no lumps. Each part of my rug. Now, once you do this, and understand, sometimes this stuff stinks. So you may want to have a ventilation going on, especially if you have like a breathing problem. And I am going to get ahead and do that to all four corners. And then once I do that to the four corners, I'm also going to do that to my edging. And then I'm going to do it in the middle. Then this way, my sides don't come up and my edging doesn't come up. And then we'll be back. And so here. Then I put the dab in the middle. Now the reason why I'm smoothing this out, because you'll feel these lumps if this wasn't that cushiony. So I am just going to smooth that out there. And smooth this out here. And that should stop it from sliding. Now, what I'm going to do is when you do this, you must wait 24 hours for this to totally dry. And then we'll be back to show you if it really does work. Okay, this is fake wood, and I'm going to see if it slides. It's not sliding much, but it's still sliding some more, so I'm going to do a second application. I noticed with the silicone, some of it came up on the fake floor, so I am going to put drops on the second round. Okay, this is the second coating. With the second coating, I've put drops, not really thick drops, but just enough in the same spots around the edging and in the middle. I'm going to let it dry for 24 hours, and then we're going to try it on the different types of flooring. Okay, I'm going to try it on carpet, and it is not budging or moving. Now I'm trying it on the vinyl floor. This lighting is just the light that's on the carpet. And this is the bathroom. And before I couldn't even go like this, it would slide everywhere. It is not moving at all on the vinyl. I'm on the fake wood floor. And before it was still sliding and it was picking up some silicone. Now it's not sliding at all and it's not picking up any silicone. So it works. Any questions, hit me up in the comments. Throw them likes up if you like this video. Slap that subscribe button.